Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you for joining us today. We are excited to share with you the latest addition to our family of trucks. I'm here at our customer center in Dublin, Virginia, where next door, all of our trucks are built in a 1.6 million square foot facility, which is the largest Volvo trucks manufacturing plant in the world. In fact, just last year, we announced an investment of almost $400 million to expand our footprint so that we are ready for production of the next generation of trucks.
The future is now, and it's built on energy efficiency and alternative fuels. During this industry shift, Volvo Trucks will be your trusted partner. Volvo Trucks is committed to lead the industry towards sustainable transport solutions by advancing electromobility. Electromobility isn't a new concept for the Volvo Group. We've proven the technology works with over 5,000 electric Volvo buses in operation worldwide. Technology leveraged to develop electric truck models in Europe, and now the VNR here in North America. We optimized the truck's performance using real-world data and validated the VNR Electric's capabilities with our customers to create the best truck, designed and developed here in the United States and manufactured in Dublin, Virginia. The VNR Electric encompasses all the same great features of the current VNR, like agility, visibility, and safety, making driver acceptance easier. It's available in 3 configurations: a single-axle straight truck and 2 tractors, a 4x2 and a 6x2. Designed for the customer's driving cycles within local and regional distribution, food and beverage, and pickup delivery. The electric motors are rated at 455 horsepower and generate up to 4,051 pound-feet of torque. This provides quick starts and great responsiveness. The electric driveline features Volvo's proprietary 2-speed I-Shift transmission that delivers smooth acceleration. The batteries have an operating range of up to 150 miles depending on configuration and a capacity of 264 kilowatt hours. To maximize energy efficiency, we capture the energy from braking. Up to 15% is regenerated back into the energy storage system, depending on the duty cycle. When you finally do need a charge, it's charged in 70 minutes. Either CCS1 or CCS2 connectors are available. The VNR Electric incorporates our highest safety standards in cab and chassis construction with additional protection built into the battery cage, and includes the latest active safety features such as Volvo Active Driver Assist and Lane Departure Warning. In addition, this vehicle is covered by our Uptime Promise, including remote diagnostics and a suite of connectivity services specific to energy management and battery performance. Electric provides more benefits than just zero emissions. The driver's work environment is greatly improved by less noise and better responsiveness, creating a comfortable, quiet sanctuary. Quieter trucks working overnight, reducing congestion during peak traffic and enabling flexible transportation hours. For complete peace of mind, we offer for the first time in North America the Volvo Gold Contract, covering repairs, scheduled and preventative maintenance, as well as truck and battery monitoring. Volvo Trucks understands that the transition to electromobility is about more than just the truck. It requires an end-to-end solution, including incentives, necessary charging infrastructure, and financing. Volvo will partner closely with our customers to expedite this transition successfully. Being at the forefront of electric truck production in North America is just the beginning. The future is now.
And now for the vehicle you've been waiting for. Peter, you're out with the VNR Electric. How's it going?
Paige, guess where I am? I'm driving our new VNR Electric. And I actually don't know why I'm talking so loud to you, because that's not necessary. This is fantastic. But this is a completely silent truck. I don't hear anything, and I can talk to you in a normal voice. Where in a diesel truck, you know, you have the logical, the noise of an engine. But here, it's nothing. It's a fantastic, silent, peaceful environment. And it is so fantastic how you can combine this beautiful silence with, if necessary, a great horn. Because that's, of course, you know, you cannot have a truck without the horn. People that know me know that. I love the horn in the truck. And you know what the cool thing is that we have used our group technology electromobility driveline and we've put it into the VNR that we already know as a diesel truck. So if I'm a driver, right, and I go from the VNR diesel into a VNR electric, I see an environment that is very familiar. It's the same truck. You know what is a little bit different? It's the dashboard, right? I don't have a tachometer anymore because there is no diesel engine and there are no revs. There is a power meter instead. The power meter tells me when I'm using power, but it also tells me when I'm generating power, right? Like a normal diesel truck has an engine brake. This truck doesn't have an engine, so it doesn't have an engine brake, but it has a regeneration brake. So if I accelerate here a little bit, right, and that goes really fast here, look at it, 30, 40, 45, 50, now I put the engine brake on, the regeneration brake on. Immediate slowing down. We see the power meter on the left going into generation of power. And that is really fantastic because what happens is that I slow down, which I'm supposed to do in order to drive safe. I'm charging the batteries. With that, I'm extending the range that I can drive. And at the same time, I'm saving the life of my brakes, which has a good impact on the cost, on the service cost of this truck. So whilst on one hand, it is pretty much the same to drive for me as a driver, it has this different way of working that is very, very intuitive. So this is the safest truck on the road. And not only is it the safest truck on the road, it is the cleanest truck on the road. Safest and cleanest truck on the road with a fantastic environment for a driver. Because I think I can drive with less energy, with less fatigue if you want, if I can say it like that. I will be much fresher when I come out of this truck because you don't have this constant noise. I love this truck. But you will see more of this truck really, really soon. I'm on my way. And you know, in a couple of minutes, I'll be there. I'll be driving the truck in so we can all look at this beautiful new truck. This fantastic new family member of Volvo Trucks North America. The cleanest kid of the family. Oh, this is so fantastic. Oh, I should be a truck driver. I'm gonna change my job. It's here, ladies and gentlemen. The future is now. I'm very happy that you all could join us today for this important occasion. A milestone for Volvo Trucks North America and the entire industry. Today we launch our VNR electric truck and start sales. We adapted our globally proven electric driveline and battery technology, incorporating it into our Volvo VNR model, designed and developed here in the United States. And as we mentioned earlier, it will be built right here in Dublin, Virginia, like all our trucks are built here. Being one of the first truck manufacturing companies in North America to begin production of zero-emission electric vehicles is a proud moment for Volvo Trucks and, quite frankly, for me personally. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the midst of an evolution in the way we think about transportation, and this moment is a key step in creating a future that we all want to live in, a world we are proud to hand over to the next generation. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being with us today.